Welcome to Online Class for Kids. Hi everyone! Today, let's meet the vowels in the alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. The first vowel is A. Do you know how to read this letter? Repeat after me. A. One more time. A. The sound of A is A. Again, A. Let's have few words with the sound of A. Apple, apple. Ant, ant. Cat, cat. The next vowel is E. Do you know how to read this letter? Repeat after me. E. One more time. E. The sound of E is E. E. Let's have few words with the sound of E. Elephant, elephant. Egg, egg. Pen, pen. The third vowel is I. Do you know how to read this letter? Repeat after me. I. One more time. I. The sound of I is E. E. Now, let's have few words with the sound of E. Igloo, igloo. Big, big. Next, we will learn about O. Repeat after me. O. One more try. O. The sound of O is O. Some words that has the sound of O are orange, orange. Onion, onion. Octopus, octopus. The last vowel is U. Repeat after me. U. Again, U. The sound of U is Some words that has the sound of are umbrella, umbrella. Bug, bug. See you next time! For more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.